They stand at the pinnacle of the automotive world. Legends of design, symbols of luxury. Mercedes or BMW. In 1901, Karl Benz created the first practical automobile, and in 1926, Mercedes-Benz was born. Another dream was flying across the country, a company destined for more than just the skies. In 1916, Bayerische Flugzeuge took off. In 2022, BMW sold slightly more cars, almost 2.4 million versus 2 million for Mercedes. Mercedes has always been strong in the luxury segment. Their flagship models, like the S-Class and Maybach, embody luxury and premium comfort. BMW, on the other hand, is renowned for its sports cars. The M3 and M5 are names that inspire awe in all speed enthusiasts. Mercedes was known for its pioneering spirit. Remember the first diesel-powered car? That was a Daimler Motor and Gesellschaft production back in 1936. They were also early adopters of innovative features like air conditioning. Meanwhile, BMW wasn't just about cars. Their roots in aviation gave them a distinct edge when it came to engine performance and aerodynamics. And let's not forget the legendary BMW M division, which transformed everyday cars into high-performance beasts. Today, the battleground has expanded beyond traditional automobiles. Both Mercedes and BMW are investing heavily in electric and soft-driving technology. Who will lead the charge into this new era of mobility? If you're a Mercedes fan, like this video. If you're a BMW fan, share it. And if you're a Toyota fan or another brand fan, share your reasons in the comments. And watch our other videos.